Well, I guess that just happened.
I made all of these using one free AI tool. No subscription, no credit card, no editing. Just Google Flow AI and a few prompts. Every single one of those clips, the yarn worlds, the skeletons, that shark, was generated for free. And during this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made them. This is the only Google Flow AI tutorial you need. Everything from generating images to creating videos with sound to keeping your characters consistent across every scene. I'm covering all of it, all free. Oh, and I also built something for you guys. You're going to love it. More on that in a bit. Go to flow.google, sign in with your Google account, and you're in. The free account gives you 50 daily video credits and unlimited image generation. Resets every single day. No credit card, no trial countdown. As you can see here, I use Google Flow to generate all the visuals for channels I manage. Feature 1, Images Generation. So let's create an AI character using Flow. Click on New Project. Now, as you can see, there's an agent inside Flow AI. I call him Bruno. He's there to assist you with your task, so make sure the toggle is on. Let me do a quick run of the settings. By default, it generates images in a 16:9 ratio, but you can change that to your preferred aspect ratio, then set the number of outputs you want. But here's the one thing you need to know. Your prompt structure determines everything. Don't type a cool character. Tell it exactly what you want. Let's prompt together. Inside the box, type, create a cinematic scene from a movie where one last man is standing on an alien planet. He is being chased by aliens. The scene should look otherworldly. This is not Earth. It's an alien planet. Now, I sometimes tell the agent to refine the prompt so it gives the best result. Hit enter. The agent will first understand the task before it starts generating. It's generating 4 images simultaneously. Here's the result. Now that's massive. We can see the man running while being chased by the aliens. But if you take a close look at the images, you'll notice it picked a random style. And that's because I didn't add enough detail about the character itself. That's where my free tool comes in. For this, I built something called the AI Character Prompt Generator. Built it for you. Inside it, I just toggle options and build my character. Gender, age, hair, outfit, rendering style, everything. Once I'm done, I click Generate, copy the prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it in, and here you go. This tool is free, any day, any time. All you need to do is like this video and let me know in the comments if you want the link. Now here's something most people don't know. You can batch create images on Google Flow. Write 5 different prompts, queue them all up, and Flow generates them one after another. If you're building content for a channel, character shots, thumbnails, backgrounds, batch creating saves you serious time. Feature 2, Character Consistency. The biggest problem with AI images has always been consistency. Here's how I solve it in Google Flow. First, I jump into ChatGPT and ask it to develop a very short story. I want a story about a dog named Po, his owner, a girl named Lala, and their old grandma, Mama Coco. 3 characters. Then I ask ChatGPT for image prompts. Now I copy all the prompts and paste them into Google Flow. The goal is to make the characters look the same across every single scene. So I instruct the agent, Bruno, to create the characters first before generating any scenes. I tell it, before generating any images, first create detailed character designs for Lala, Po, and Mama Coco. Keep these exact designs consistent across every image you generate. Look at what it comes back with. A full description for each characters. I confirm the designs, lock them in. Now the agent knows exactly what every character looks like. Watch this. It generates the first scene, Lala and Po in the garden, and uses that as a visual reference for every scene that follows. Same Lala, same Po, same Mama Coco. Every single scene. Different settings, different moments, same faces. That's consistency. And we didn't need any special tools or training, just clear instructions to the agent. Now, if you're building an AI influencer or a faceless channel with a recurring character, this is what makes it actually work. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build a full AI influencer using just Google Flow in another video. Turn on the notification bell. Feature 3. Image to video. Now this is where it gets good. Take any image you just made and Flow turns it into video. I'll take this alien scene. Now I need to describe the motion I want. I drop my idea into ChatGPT first to refine the prompt, then copy and paste it into Flow. Now for video generation, credits are required. 15 credits per generation, and you have 50 every day. Approve the generation. Give it a few minutes. Here's the result. Did you hear that? The alien sounds, the rumbling, the atmosphere. That audio was generated by the AI, not a sound library, not a separate track. Google Flow AI creates audio directly from your prompt. And it's the reason I canceled every other tool I was paying for. Feature 4. Text to video. You can skip images entirely and go straight from text to video. Remember the skeleton clips from the beginning of this video? Let me show you how I made one of them. Right now. I'm typing the exact prompt I used. You can copy it from the pinned comment. Let's generate 2 at the same time so we can pick the better output. That's one of the clips you saw at the start of this video, made right here. One prompt, no editing. The handheld camera tag gives it that raw feel, the detailed actions, the paw batting, the tail flick. Give the AI specific moments to animate. That's the key. Don't just describe a scene, describe what happens in the scene. As you can see, this was the same way I created the other ones, just all boils down to how well I engineered my prompts. Pro tip: feel free to always use my prompts, tweak it to get better results. Last feature, AI editing. Flow lets you edit images using plain language. No Photoshop, no selection tools, no layers. So this image from the Lala story had an error. We're seeing a part of another dog bleeding into the frame. I typed, remove the extra dog part, and in less than 30 seconds, done. Let's try adding something. Add a cat to the scene. Done. This isn't going to replace Photoshop for professional retouching, but for quick content edits, fixing a thumbnail, cleaning up an AI generation error, removing something distracting, it's instant and it's free. One tool: images, video with native audio, character consistency, and AI editing. Go to flow.google, start creating. Every prompt from this video, the yarn worlds, the skeleton scenes, the alien scene, the Lala story, is in the pinned comment. Copy them and start. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe. I cover the best free AI tools every week. See you in my next video.